Hello everyone, I'm Khalid from Howrah. Right now I'm working with an e-commerce company which is Jumbo Shop Limited. And I was joined ICA in the year of 2019 and I pursued CIA course during my graduation. And in CIA course I have learned professional accounting softwares like Tally, ACE, and also I have learned Indian taxation, GST, indirect and direct tax, as well as TDS, and also how to communicate in professional way, how to write an email in professional way. So these are the things I've learned from CIA course. After completion CIA, I appeared the interview and I got selected in Sadhguru Travels for the position of account executive in Kenya location. After 1 year, I have been transferred to an e-commerce company which is right now Jumbo Shop Limited as finance manager here. My CTC per annum is 600,000, including food and accommodation and other expenses. Thank you ICA Dalhousie faculties and Dalhousie team to kickstart my career. That's all. Thank you.